Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix QuickBooks company file not opening issues quickly. Yeah, if your company file won't open or shows an error, it can be really frustrating, especially when you need access to your financial data. But most of the time, it's actually a simple fix once you follow a few key steps. So first, make sure the file is located on your computer or network and hasn't been moved, renamed, or deleted. Uh, QuickBooks can't open files that aren't in their original location. Next, check that your QuickBooks software is fully updated. Yeah, updates fix bugs and improve file compatibility, which can prevent opening errors. After that, try opening the company file as an administrator. Right-click the QuickBooks icon and select Run as Administrator because permission issues can sometimes block access to files. Also, use the QuickBooks File Doctor. Uh, this tool can detect and repair issues with corrupted or damaged company files, which is often the cause of errors. And yeah, check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes security software can block QuickBooks from accessing files on your network or computer. Finally, if the problem continues, move the file to a local drive or contact QuickBooks support. Most of the time, these steps will allow your company file to open properly and get you back to work without any hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.